guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Terry. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I will be doing a simple updo for you guys, a really cute two bun look. It's the day after wash day and my hair is like well moisturized and so on. So I'm about to start styling my hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and part my hair out. I want to make sure that this is straight, so I'm just going to use my other mirror to see what's going on. I'm just going to take one side out of the way for now and work on the other side. Alright, so my hair is like air dried from yesterday and it is in its stretched state just a little bit. It kind of has some curls to it. Ooh, can I do twist outs? You know, I've never done twist out on my hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and like kind of take out the curls out of my hair. So to put my hair up, I'm gonna use this Aunt Jackie's hair gel. It's a Don't Shrink. So hopefully you guys can hear me like over the fan. Hopefully I can edit out the fan in the background and any other background noise because the dogs are going crazy right now. I apologize for that. I don't know why all of a sudden as I want to film like everything is happening right now. So bear with me guys. And take my hair tie and I'm gonna put my hair up into a ponytail. So to kind of hold my hair into place, today I'm going to try going in with the Got To Be Glued Gel. And I'm going to smooth that throughout my hair. Hopefully it will help to hold my hair down. I'm going to go ahead and tie my hair down just for a little bit. So I'm just going to take this down. I had it on for about 3 minutes. Hopefully my hair is cooperating with me. Okay guys, so this is the hair that I'll be using today. It's from Trendy Tress. It's a Nubian curl 16-inch 1B hair. And this is what it's looking like. I have used this hair on my channel before, but today I'm going to use it to do like a ponytail. So I'm going to try to use like one pack because this hair gets big like really quick. I'm just going to like take half and half. I'm going to take my hair tie and put it around it like this. And make a loop like so. So now I'm going to go ahead and attach this to my bun. Ensure that it is secure. So I'm just going to like drag my hands through this hair to kind of like fuzz it out a little bit. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and make my bun. So I'm gonna wrap it around like so. I'm gonna take out like a couple of strings so I can have that messy bun look. So this is hairpin. It comes in a pack like this. I'm just gonna take some of those and like adjust the hair to my liking and ensure that I am securing the hair as well. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of like cut down these. I'm rubbing some gel on it to kind of like curl it up. So now that my buns are in, I'm just gonna go ahead and work on my edges. To seat my edges now, I'm going with the Nitro Canada hair wax. Alright, so I went ahead and I tied down my edges just to keep them in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and I'll be back with the final reveals. Okay guys, so this is the finished result for my hair. This is such a cute and easy style to achieve under 10 minutes. If I was not filming, it would take me under 10 minutes to achieve this look. It is super cute. The hair is so soft. It feels like it's my hair. It looks like it's my hair. Okay, so I really like this hairstyle. Hope you guys do too. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Peace.